Jessica, that is melted chocolate. That is not witch's brew.
Oh, yeah.
She gets carried away. Anyway, we are making some of our most favorite Halloween candy treats because we're getting ready for Halloween, so we don't have to go through the holiday full of anxiety. We're going to gain back all this weight, have no fun. You get it.
Yeah.
So first we're going to make ours, and then we're going to ask you, what are yours? If you tell us what your favorite Halloween treats are, we will make them keto for you. And it's going to be a blast. For once, you can have a holiday, have no anxiety, don't worry about gaining all your weight back.
And think of this, going through the Halloween experience, guilt-free.
Imagine. And you don't have to start a diet right afterwards to gain, get rid of all the weight that you just gained back. So, what we did here, not with witch's brew, we took 2 big bars of Baker's chocolate, and we melted them in here, and you put in how much butter? 3 tablespoons?
3 tablespoons of butter, and we were putting the square in later.
Okay, because it's Halloween, and because Jessica is a cinnamon addict, we are putting in a tablespoon of cinnamon. We are putting in, go ahead.
A tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Because there's never enough vanilla in things. Okay, we are putting in a 1/4 cup of erythritol. This happens to be Swerve, but it could be any erythritol.
Yes, you can also use monk fruit too.
That's right, so 1/4 in there. Okay, so it makes it really nice and thick.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're mixing that all up. And now we're going to be very careful about putting it. We got some molds. You don't have to use molds. You can just use.
However, these are really cute, and you can
Really
get them at the
cute.
dollar store. These are witches' hats and pumpkins.
They're really cute.
Really,
You don't
really
have to
cute.
have those. Some people like to go, pure, and they just use ice cube trays. We don't care. Whatever you like.
Yeah.
So we're putting those in here. Now, Jessica has assembled some of her favorite nuts. And again, these can be any nuts that you want.
Yes.
So Jessica, why don't you plop a couple of nuts into our mold here.
Okay, so first I'm going to go with hazelnut, chocolate hazelnut.
It's crazy good. Yeah. And these are not expensive. We pick them up like at the bulk part. You know where you can buy bulk nuts at the store. And so we don't spend a lot on nuts. We always look for sales and bargains, but when we do get them, we get our favorite ones. And those happen to be hazelnuts. What else we got there?
And I'm going to switch it up for the witches' hats. I'm going to go with the almonds.
Right.
Which totally makes sense since witches use most of their brains for all their spells.
Okay, we're going to go with that. Okay, so there we go. All right, now, smart thing to do is just press those in so that when they settle into the molds.
Best part about making stuff in the kitchen, you get to taste it
as you're cooking it. Plus, if you're making this kind of thing for a holiday, and we're going to have them for Halloween, for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's, it's really fun activity. So if you have some children or other people in your world that you want to have, a holiday ritual with, you might be able to do something like this, which is super fun. I think that's good. And you can do some that are just plain. If you have people in your household that don't particularly like nuts, you can do that. And we're just going to pop these into the freezer or refrigerator to cool them off.
Yes. For those of you who are like, you're like, oh, I don't have a huge level of cooking experience. This is really simple to do.
Right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy almost Halloween.
Happy almost Halloween. Tangy witch's brew.
Tangy witch's brew. Come to the Halloween workshop. We'll show you how to make it. It's yum. Okay, so the chocolates have set, and now we're going to unmold them. You want to do the honors?
I will do the honors, yes.
You have a beautiful little...
Look how pretty that looks.
Zoom in on this beautiful little pumpkin. And do you have a beautiful little witch's hat?
I have a beautiful little witch's hat.
You gotta have to show it like that. There you go. See?
See right here? There we go.
They're beautiful. And we'll show you the plate in just a second. These are lovely. And I think if you show up at a party or you have friends over,
I was just about to say that. That's so eerie.
Right? And you get it eerie. And then you show them these amazing dark chocolates. I think you're going to find that people, whether they're keto or not, are going to really like them.
Yeah, so if you show up at the Halloween PTA, you will be the hit.
There we go. So here, let's zoom in on these beautiful chocolates. There we go. Okay, and they are delightful, delicious, and they have some beautiful nuts inside them, and they're perfectly keto. To a happy, healthy, and enjoyable Halloween for you.
Guilt-free.
Don't forget to sign up for the workshop. It's September 25th at noon PST, and we'll be looking forward to sharing some more goodies with you.
And complete the survey, and you could be in a drawing for a free $50 gift card.
Or some really cool swag.
Yes.
See you then.